Sheffield, Alabama at David Christopher's, and I'm so excited to go in. Let's go in and see what's what. So we are at a store in Sheffield, Alabama called David Christopher's. They've got so many great things here. So I'm going to turn the camera around and look. It is so amazing. I love all the things they have here. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let's look and see what all is in here. I love this tree. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the snowmen that are here. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at this poinsettia right here. It's gorgeous. We got so many things in the store. Oh my goodness. I am a sucker for pigs. I absolutely love pigs. Look at the gnomes. My mother was, she totally got me. So much fun. They got the reindeer with the googly eyes up top. Oh my goodness. The pigs with the berries, frosted, love it. Oh my goodness, these massive reindeer. That's just insane. They could be yours for the low price of $999.99. I love the picks and stuff. These green picks would be great for winter time. The silver, oh my goodness, I love it. There's so much stuff here. Oh my goodness, the reindeer. Wow. The prices were not bad. They were very eucalyptus in the corner. Goodness. Oh my goodness, look at those poinsettias. Oh, love them. There's my baby reindeer. He absolutely loves the reindeer. And he wants to put them in his living room. He only now to buy a house big enough to put them. Oh my goodness. There's just stuff everywhere you look. Oh my goodness, I love that sleigh. Oh, that's great. It'd be too big to fit in my house, but I love it. Oh my word. I can't. The tree, I can't. The pigs, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love the magnolia ones. These are really, really great here. And then there's some variegated ones here. Love them. This tree, oh my goodness, with the train in it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna clean my camera real quick because that's too much. Let's try this again. Okay, much, much better. Oh my goodness, can you see this? Oh, love it. The bear, the reefs, oh my goodness. The pick with the magnolia, okay, I love that. There's just so much stuff. And it's unique, it's different from any other place. I love the reefs, the sleeping bears, reindeer, oh my goodness. You got the lanterns, oh my. It's just so pretty. I love those poinsettias, those are really pretty. The birch logs are cool. I would love that for winter. All this greenery is so great. Oh my goodness. turning around so much because there's just so much to see. And we went late in the season, so I can only imagine what it looks like when it's fully stocked, everything's ready to go. How cute, how cute. Oh my goodness. If you have not been to Sheffield, Alabama to meet David Christopher, I had the pleasure of actually meeting him. Nicest guy you will ever want to meet. So humble, so sweet. I love this tree. He has a video on how he created this tree. Oh, I love it so much. All the pics and stuff are there. I was about to lose my mind. All this stuff is so much fun. It's so great. I love those red poinsettias. I wanted to buy everything. Oh my goodness. When we were leaving, we thought that maybe the store would be cleaned out because of the pandemic and all that. They have plenty left, plenty to go around. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love those drums. Ah. There's just so much everywhere. Oh my goodness. I love putting garlands over the archways. Oh, so pretty. Dun, da, da, da. Oh my, this nutcracker thing. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Can you take it? The wall, the nutcrackers, the tree. Oh my goodness. I'm going out of my mind right now. This is gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. Oh my goodness. The dark blue poinsettias, the red, the ornament, I can't. Oh my goodness. My friend was going to do a nutcracker theme. I was like, this takes the cake. All this is just so great. Everything you need for any themed tree, they have it. I love the little arrangements and stuff on top of the bookcase. It's so great. These pics are awesome. Look at those. Wow. I love they almost look like they're flopped, but they're not. It's like a silver on top of those poinsettias. The ribbon was really awesome. I am a sucker for ribbon. I love the 4-inch birch. And they got 4-inch pink velvet. I think there was a golden name on the back of that. It just keeps going, and I love it so much. That's a nice wintry type. I like that one. And there's a silver reindeer on that one. 4-inch ribbon, I'm all about it. Oh my goodness, look at these. They're silver poinsettias, or silver magnolia leaves. I love them. Yeah, this is where he did that blue halfback tree, indigo and silver. It was gorgeous. Yeah, I have a halfback tree. This one has 3 legs. So I was just looking to make sure to see how theirs was fitting so well and mine wasn't. So theirs has 3 legs, mine has 4. So I have to be able to look out for that. Some peacock feathers, some more red and white. Oh my goodness. And there's more ribbon. We'll come back and look at that in more detail later. Some more magnolias. Oh my goodness, it's just gorgeous. Brandon found some more poinsettias that he absolutely loves. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, that's fun. Oh my goodness, I saw when he did this tree. Oh, I love it. I love it. My friend has a gingerbread tree, gingerbread lady. So we may have to use some of these ideas. This tree is so fun and different. This was my first year doing pink, and I would dare say this was the inspiration for it. Look at all of these materials. Oh my goodness. Simply gorgeous. Oh wow, look at this tree. Oh, I love it so much. I know people have bought things off of that tree already, but it's still so full. I love those poinsettias. Those are great. Just all red, scarlet, all just those dark red tones. I love it so much. Look at that poinsettia. Oh my goodness. And it's outlined in glitter. Oh, it's velvet. Oh my goodness. I just love this tree. The impact, the statement it makes. Look at that great big ball. Oh my goodness. Love all of these picks here. Oh my goodness, they're so great. I wanted to take everything home with me, but I was on a budget, so I couldn't. I love the garlands that are here. Look how full they are. Oh my goodness. That's a great swag. I like the long needle pine wreath. It's great for winter and Christmas. I like the brown teardrop, the white teardrop, the green teardrop. Brown would be awesome for fall. The magnolia garland. I can't. All the spring flowers are great. Oh my goodness. So this is another look at the ribbon. So I didn't get the other side of it. Actually, I did get this side, but it's worth looking at again. Tag $69.99, but it's wonderful quality ribbon. So this is where you're making the investment. You can use it year after year. Yeah, this is the one with the golden vein on the back. Oh, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. This is just great. I love it. 4-inch affordable. Oh my goodness. I was looking at doing indigo blue this year. I did not, but I'll do it next year. Look at this. Oh my goodness. How big is that? I love it. I was very delighted to find out that a wholesaler in my area sells David Christopher products as well. So I will make sure I'm on the lookout and that I am buying his products. These poinsettias are so much fun. I love that. The gingerbread, my mom was totally into gingerbread this year. I'm kind of getting into it, not all the way, but we'll see. I'm so sorry for making you dizzy. I was moving so fast in the store. There's just so much to look at. I love those poinsettias. They're so much fun. Oh my goodness. These big pieces of candy. Oh my word. I've done a candy tree, but nothing like that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at these. Oh my goodness. It's just great. It's just great. The creativity. I love the gingerbread house and the tree. That's awesome. Great big huge pieces of candy. Oh my god. I'm running out of storage room, but I still want all of it. This is that candy room. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, the giant pieces of candy. It's too much. Those magnolia leaves are fun. Blue and then pink. Candy theme. Oh my goodness. Look at this guy. I think it's hilarious. His arm is bitten off. Yes, he looks good enough to eat. Oh wow, look at these. That's different. I love it. Oh, look at him. Some of these trees have been stripped bare because people have bought all the products off of them. You can bet we're going back next year and we will go early. This is the upside down Christmas tree. All the pastel colored candies on it. So much fun. I've never done anything like this before, but I might be inspired to do it. I love the pastel candies there. That's awesome. Wow, look at all these picks. Oh, look at this. I love the little candies here. Oh my goodness, they totally look realistic and good enough to eat.